Hey there, welcome back to Genius Junkie, your go-to channel for Canva design hacks. If you're a fitness instructor looking to level up your game, today's video is just for you. We're going to show you how to design visually appealing and effective workout plans using Canva that will impress your clients and make training sessions a breeze. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Setting up Canva for workout plans. First, head over to canva.com and log in to your account. If you're new to Canva, don't worry. It's free to use and super intuitive. Start by selecting Create a Design and then choose a custom size. For workout plans, we recommend a standard A4 size, which is 8.5 by 11 inches, perfect for printing or sharing digitally. Once you've got your blank canvas, think about the structure of your workout plan. It typically includes sections like warm-up, main workout, and cool-down. Keep this in mind as we move on to the next step, choosing the right template. Choosing the right template. Now, let's make this easy and quick. Head to Canva's search bar and type in Workout Plan Template. You'll find a variety of pre-designed templates perfect for different types of fitness programs, from HIIT sessions to yoga routines. Select a template that fits your style and needs. Make sure it's visually balanced and easy to read. For example, look for templates with clear headers, ample space for descriptions, and a visually appealing color scheme. Remember, the goal is to make your workout plan not only informative but also engaging. Customizing your workout plan. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to customize. Add your logo. Adjust the colors to match your branding. And replace any placeholder text with your workout details. Use Canva's drag-and-drop features to include exercise illustrations or photos for added clarity. You can also use Canva's elements like shapes and icons to create sections or highlight important notes. Don't forget to use a consistent font style to maintain a professional look. For a finishing touch, add motivational quotes or progress trackers to make the plan more engaging for your clients. Final touches and download options. Lastly, review your design and ensure everything aligns perfectly. Canva has an alignment tool to help you keep everything neat and tidy. Once you're satisfied with your workout plan, click the Share button on the top right corner, then select Download, and choose your file formats like JPG, PNG, or PDF. For printing, select PDF. Now hit the Download button. And that's it. You now have a customized, professional workout plan ready to boost your fitness business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with more Canva tips from Genius Junkie. Until next time, keep designing, keep growing.